Kids, did you wake up? I wonder what Lucy's doing. Did she still sleeping? Or maybe what is Hello Kitty's doing? Let's see, check them. Hi Hello Kitty, what's up? What are you doing here? Oh, hi Auntie, I'm just playing here. Oh my god, Lucy, you just disappeared and came? Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna cooking. I'm gonna go and cooking. You both play. Okay, Mom, I want some coffee. Okay, dear, I'm coming. Take, honey. Thanks, Mom. See? Hello Kitty, let's play together. Oh, okay, but my mother said don't play with anyone and don't teach anyone in their homes. I'm just gonna go and play with duck. Bye. I'll just go la 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 la. Okay, let's drink our coffee. Tastes good. Hi Duck, how are you? I'm fine. What's the matter? Why are you so sad? Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, you're so hungry? Then ask your mother. But my mother said not to eat anyone in their homes. Oh, so your mother went out, right? Yeah, that's the matter. Oh, then where's Lucy? Oh, she's there and drinking coffee. Oh, can I call her? Oh, of course. Lucy! She came. See? Oh, what is the matter, guys? Can you play with me, please, Fufu? Nope, I will not play with you. Because I'm hungry. Oh, please play with me, please. Kids, it's dinner time. Come on. I'm just gonna go. La 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 la. Okay, my cooking is actually completed and the smell is so good and I love the taste. I wonder when I keep that cooking, it'll be so tasty. Kids, come on! This is the second time I'm calling them. When they'll actually come? Auntie, I came. Where's Lucy? Oh, she's coming. Here is she. Okay, take the plate, guys. It's so big, Auntie. Yeah. So, it seemed like your face. What? What did you just say? Nothing. Okay, then, whatever. See, these are the rotis and take them half. You want a half? I'm just going to pour 4. No need of 4, Auntie. We just want 2. Okay. Mom, 1 for me 2 and 1 for you 2, okay? Okay. 4 and here we go. Ready is completed. And close the cap and put there. And now for the curry. These are the potatoes. I love potatoes. My potatoes favorite. Yeah, me too. Wolfoo, can I after lunch eating play with you? Okay. Promise? Yes, promise. Yay! I'm so happy to glad that. Lucy, you should eat the vegetables. Oh, I hate vegetables. I don't like vegetables to eat them. Never mind, I'll just try my best. That's my girl. Good girls. And eat fast. Guys, I love this. It's good taste. Guys, please subscribe our videos and like and share. Bye guys. Wish you all have a good day.